IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acids and its derivatives. It is a part 3. See, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid general representation is RCOOH. RCOOH. General molecular formula is CnH2nO2. The suffix is oic acid. IUPAC name is alkanoic acid. Okay, these are the important main suffix and IUPAC name. These things you have to concentrate, you have to remember. Remaining तो उतना जरूरत नहीं. Next, 1 carbon is there, common name formic acid, 2 carbon acetic acid, 3 carbon propionic acid, butyric. This is isobutyric. See this isoform Y shape. Okay, iso. 5 carbons are there, valeric. 6 carbons are there, caproic acid. You have to remember this. Then 3 carbon plus 1 pi bond, that is acrylic. Okay, acrylic acid. So common name is this one. Now IUPAC. See, memorize करना है वो common name only. IUPAC, if you know the rules, maximum based on the rules, we can give name for any given compound. We have to learn only the suffix mainly. Suffix and IUPAC name order. Now only 1 carbon is there, so methane plus oic acid, methanoic acid. You can see here. See, RCOOH, carboxylic acid. 1 carbon is there, formic acid. 2 carbon acetic, 3 carbon propionic acid. So for 1 carbon, meth plus ane plus oic acid. While you are combining these three, just you cross this E. Why E and O vowels? So you write methanoic acid. In case of ethanoic acid, see 1, 2. Total 2 carbons, so eth. Plus single bond, so ane. Then suffix oic acid. Okay, just you cut this E, then you add it ethanoic acid. Next CH3, propionic acid. Again 1, 2, 3. Propane oic acid, propanoic acid. Like that you can give. Suppose if 2 carboxylic acids are there in the same group, 2 carboxylic acids, in that case you have to give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here. So for this I will tell you one. In between COOH and COOH, if 0 carbons are there, that is O for oxalic acid. In case of aldehyde, glyoxal we written, glyoxal. So in case of carboxylic acid, oxalic acid. In between 2 COOH group, 1 carbon is there, 1 CH2 group is there, O malonic acid. Then 2 carbons are there, 2 CH2 groups are there, succinic acid. I am writing these code words. O my succinic acid. Oh my such good apple. Okay, this is a word if you remember. O for oxalic acid, M for malonic acid, S for succinic acid, G for glutaric acid. Okay, G for glutaric acid. Then A for adipic acid. Adipic acid. Now suppose glutaric acid, when we will write, whenever 3 carbons is the 4 carbons. So I will explain this third one. What I told you, in between COOH and COOH, CH2 groups, how many? 3 groups are there, then that name is glutaric acid. I am telling about common names. These all are common names. Okay. Next, see, common name glutaric acid. Suppose 4 carbons are there in between 2 COOH, that is adipic acid. Adipic acid. So what about IUPAC name in this case? IUPAC name, just you have to give the numbering. Suppose here 1 and 2, total 2 carbons are there. So eth, okay, single bond is there, and carboxylic acid, suffix is oic acid. Oic acid. So ethane, oic acid, of course 2 are there, so dioic acid, the position is 1, 2. We no need to give 1, 2. Ethane dioic acid enough. Ethane 1, 2 dioic acid or ethane dioic acid. Now the important point is here, this E you can keep it as it is. This E you can keep it as it is. Now why? Because here D is there, next letter is D, that's why. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the 5, because 3 carbons are there, no? So total pent, and completely you can write, because 2 dioic acid is there. Pentane dioic acid. But where is this dioic acid? What is the position? 1, 5. Pentane 1, 5 dioic acid. Like this, by dicarboxylic acid nomenclature also you can write it very easily. See, this one I told you, oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid. Common name. In case of IUPAC, very simple, you can take the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Hexane, you can write the last E also. Hexane 1, 6 dioic acid. Next, acid chloride. It is a derivative of carboxylic acid or C double bond O Cl. Okay. In place of OH, this chlorine came. Now general formula is, you can see here, CnH2n-1 OCl. Now important thing is secondary suffix and IUPAC name. The suffix is oil chloride, OYL, oil chloride. If bromine is there, bromide. Then IUPAC name alkanyl chloride. See examples. 1 carbon is there, formyl chloride, oil chloride is a common. In case of IUPAC name, methane plus oil chloride. Okay, methane oil chloride. Suppose I am taking the last one here, carbon acid chloride. Example, CH3 CH2 C double bond O Cl. In this case, what is the name? 1, 2, 3. So propane plus oil chloride. Propane plus oil chloride. Just you cut it this E. Propanyl chloride. Propanyl, noil, NOYL. Okay. Propanyl chloride as it is. Okay, this is the process to write these names. So propionyl chloride common name, propanyl chloride is IUPAC name. Then acid amides, acid amide, it is also derivative of carboxylic acid. The general representation RCONH2, this is the general formula. Then here important thing is suffix amide, IUPAC name is alkanamide. In the common name also amide, IUPAC name also amide. Okay, now common name, one carbon is there, formamide, acetamide, propionamide. Okay, now this example I will explain you. In the IUPAC, methane plus amide, methanamide, ethane plus amide, ethanamide, propane plus amide, propanamide. Okay, next these substitutions on nitrogen. Suppose methane CH2 C double bond O, NH2 is there, that is amide. In place of hydrogen, suppose any methyl group is there. Okay, suppose methyl, two methyl groups are there. In this case, just first you assume, first rough name you write it. Just you assume these are the hydrogens. Just you think these are the hydrogens. Then how you will write name? 1, 2, 3. This is the numbering. You should not give the number for nitrogen. Okay, always numbering should be given to carbons. So propane plus amide, propane plus amide. Okay, if it is hydrogen is there, but here methyl is there, so methyl means substitutions. What are the substitutions here? Methyls, how many? 2. So dimethyl, dimethyl. But where is the position? On the nitrogen. Okay, now you write the complete name. First prefix, what is the structure? Prefix plus word root plus suffix we have to write. So here the substitutions are methyls. So N comma N dimethyl, N comma N dimethyl, the prefix is over. Next word root, what is the long chain here? Prop, prop. Then what is the functional group? Amide. Sorry, single bonds are there, that's why N. Functional group amide. Okay, now just you join all these. You can write the final product, final name is N comma N dimethyl propane. Propane, don't write last E because here after E, A is there. So propane amide, amide. So the pronunciation is propanamide. N comma N dimethyl propanamide. Yes, you understood now? Suppose H C double bond O N, methyl and ethyl is there, ethyl. So what is the long chain here? So it may be you can take this one, but ethyl is not the functional group, should get number 1. Okay, that's why it is number 1. Okay, so this is a formamide, common name is formamide, IUPAC name is methanamide. Just you assume these are the hydrogens first. Okay, so methanamide first of all, methanamide. Okay, so 50% name is over. Now here substitutions. What are the substitutions? One is methyl, one is ethyl, alphabetical order. N-ethyl, N-ethyl, then N-methyl, N-methyl, N-ethyl, N-methyl, alphabetical order. N-ethyl, N-methyl methanamide. This is the complete name. Okay. N-methyl, N-ethyl methanamide. If you want to write single line, suppose here one more carbon is there extra, like this. In this case, what is the name of this compound? 1 and 2. So ethanamide. Now N-ethyl, N-methyl. Okay, substitutions over. Then word root is eth, all single bonds, N amide. Okay, so N-ethyl, N-methyl, this much is prefix, this is the word root, this is the primary suffix, this is the secondary suffix. Okay, so like this you can write the nomenclature for amides also. Next, esters, next video we can see.